Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful, very creative, artistic, and it is very easy in itself. Because in this video, you are going to get very stylish and trendy 100 amazing neckline design ideas that you can make by using the art of hand embroidery, and specifically all of these patterns are of silk ribbon embroidery, ribbon work, or satin ribbon embroidery patterns. So you can use these tops, shirts for your very beautiful summer looks, beach look, intermediate fall looks, or you can also use these to design your winter outfits as well. So everyday, soft, stylish, lightweight, and creatively designed designer style patterns of ribbon work dresses could be used for office wear, party wear, any type of formal event or function, or even you can also use these by making these patterns onto your shirts, t-shirts, and sweatshirts for a regular formal everyday home look as well. So friends, if you are beginners or you are lovers of hand art, hand embroidery, ribbon work, or silk ribbon embroidery, then friends, this video is absolutely for you. And the beauty of this collection is that you can see almost all type of every type of creativity that is specifically related to hand art, and that could be made with the help of silk ribbon. So if we talk about which type of ribbon could be used to make these very beautiful floral patterns, then you can use satin ribbon, shiny silk ribbon, or you can also use matte ribbon. Ribbons of different thickness, medium, thin, and thick. These three thickness based ribbons are usually available from markets, and you can use these and make your very beautiful patterns. And if you want to buy these dresses, or you want to get these dresses like exactly these or some sort of difference, and you can also show these designs to a nearby silk ribbon embroidery artist of yours so that you could represent your ideas exactly to them. So if you want to get more creative hand art, hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, fabric painting, baby dress designing ideas, girls fashionable accessories, jewelry designs, footwear, sweaters, cardigans, poncho, crochet work, face masks, and a wide variety of DIY fashionable stuff, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Meet you soon with my new videos. Up till then, take care.